Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, Miss Maria. Good morning, Miss Judy. So we are going to do our focus question for today. Well, our essential question is, how do plants grow and why are they important? And our focus question is, what do plants need? So for our focus question, we're going to answer, what do plants need? Now let's have a little review. I want you to think for a moment, from what we learned so far, what is one of the things that plants need to grow? Remember, there were three of them, right? Three main things that plants need to grow. Well, one of them was, if you said light, you're correct. Plants need light to grow. Whether it be a lamp in your house or the sun from outside, plants need light to grow. So that is one of the things that plants need. Plants need the sun. Can you name another thing that plants need to grow? A very important thing. What else do plants need to grow? If you said water, you're correct. Plants need water to grow. Now outdoors, plants get water from the clouds and the rain, right? Plants get water from the rain. But in your house, they can get water from a watering can that you just filled up from your faucet, or even just a cup of water that you put in your plant. So plants also need water to grow. That's another main thing that plants need to grow, water. What's another thing that plants need to grow? Can you think of it? If you said air, you're correct. Plants need air to grow. That's another very important thing that plants need to grow. Whether it be outdoors or in your home, plants need air to grow. And we have air all around us. You can't see it, but it's all around us. So plants also need air to grow. Now what I did is I made a little model of a plant right here, as you can see. And if you look at our little plant, what do you think is growing inside the bottom of that plant? If you were to look inside the pot of that plant, what do you think is growing in here, down below? Any idea? Well, from above you see nice green leaves, but from the inside, yep, you can see roots inside that plant. The soil, it helps anchor the plant into the soil. Into the roots into the soil. The roots help to anchor the plant. And the roots also help to soak up the water. Remember, the soil acts like a sponge. Goes into the roots, goes up the roots, like little tiny straws, goes up into the stems, and then the water goes into the leaves. The light or the sun helps the plant to make food. So the leaves help to make the plant food. And of course, it needs air so that the plant can breathe. Just like we need air. So that's really what's happening underneath the soil of your plant. Except maybe you can't see it because it's covered by a flower pot or whatever you have it planted in. That's what we normally see. We don't get to see that all the time unless of course your flower pot is clear. So that's what you normally get to see. So there you go. Plants need light. Plants need water. And plants also need air in order to grow. All right then. See you later in the next video. Thank you for coming.